Installing Superflow with the WordPress plugin is super easy. Here's how to do it. First, go to your WordPress admin dashboard. Then on the left, go to Plugins. Search for Superflow. You'll find the result here. So then click on the results and click Install and Activate. Cool. Now that's installed, let's go back to our WordPress site. If we go to Installed Plugins, we can search for the Superflow plugin we just installed. Here, click on Settings so we can set it up correctly. In the Settings page of Superflow, we'll be asked to connect Superflow. Let's click on it. This will take us to the Superflow site where we will verify that it's installed correctly. And now if we refresh the page, we can see the Superflow toolbar in the bottom right corner. So now that Superflow is installed, we can do a couple things. First, we can highlight any text and leave a comment directly on that text. We can also draw a box anywhere on the page and leave a comment that way as well. And lastly, we can just hover over any element and leave a comment directly on the element. And that is how you install Superflow with the WordPress plugin. Thank you.